Present perfect continuous tense. Have your brother and sister been getting along? Mr. John has been teaching English. Mercy is studying now. How long have you been teaching Chinese? Has it been raining since you arrived? Her sister has been talking for 3 hours. I am tired because I have been working out. How long have you been discussing it? I haven't seen him for a long time. It has belonged to her for 3 months. I haven't been doing it for many years. She hasn't been teaching English since last year. How long have you been living together? She hasn't been helping us for many years. We have been speaking English for 3 hours. We have been playing in the park. Have you been running much recently? I have been living here since 2012. I haven't been paying her enough attention. Have the students been studying very hard? Mark has been writing a book. We have been traveling around the world for 6 years. How long have you been wearing glasses? My father hasn't been drinking beer for 6 months. Kelvin has been studying French all day. Congratulations! What is your score? Comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.